Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good morning, welcome to the video. It's been a while. I've not been vlogging, not been taking videos. I mean, I've been taking videos, but I've not been that active. But I'm back. I'm on my way to a race called Pedal for the Planet. It's going to be a crit for me, most likely. 40 kilometers elite. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be racing today because I had a really crazy party the day before. Friend's awesome birthday, and I'm still under the weather from it. So maybe not too sure if I'm going to race, but I'm definitely going to film. And there's a lot of stuff that's been filmed over the past few weeks, which I'm going to show you in between this whole video. And I hope you like it.
Feeling on my fire, so I'm fighting.
Where's muscle, bro? Muscle. Good morning, welcome to the video. I'm on my way to meet Funny now, and yeah, it's super windy and super cloudy, but it's good. It's good for training, I suppose. So today I'm going to be doing fixed gear tabatas. I got this from Madison Zavada on his YouTube channel. It's pretty awesome, and I'm going to explain more about it when I meet Funny. Yeah, but the temperature is beautiful. Hey!
I need a new vibe, start feeling like when you dress up. Don't know what to do, please me in the room.
That was one hectic ride. It's so good. Fixed gear tabatas, that's the shit. I'm gonna put the workout up on Strava so you can get a look at what it looks like. Yeah, the road's a bit hectic to ride and talk. It basically is a race simulation for fixed gear crits. So the first part of the workout was these intervals where you do a 20-second standing seated sprint. You do a 20-second seated sprint to max speed and then reduce within 10 seconds to 20 kilometers per hour. Second part of the interval was race winning intervals, where you do a 15-second sprint starting at 30 kmph and then stay at FTP for about 3 minutes. Finish it with a 15-second sprint again, and then repeat that twice. And Fani was right next to me, behind me rather, keeping an eye on the power. The first interval was not so much on power, but the second interval was definitely at FTP. Good ride, good coffee. Off to the shop now. Where the babies are?
But traffic is moving now.
Got me feeling alive. I'm switching sides, loving when you ride. I need a new vibe. I like you, I want you switch sides. Checked out, stretched out, like when you dress out. Right out, I know done. Let me love. When you dress out. Right out, I know done.
He missed a spot.
Finish cleaning, mama. Finish it. Finish the job.
Aye.
Yeah.
You see your face. It's like, oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah, I know that sucks, mama. You're supposed to do that. It's 2 days of job you're doing now. And her eyes are open.
Yes.
Yay!
There you go. Now you can see.
Driving to the night. So fast, so far from home. Don't look behind. Keep straight until you're home.
Yeah, you should have asked him to play that.
22. Just on 22.
Goddamn girl, what it do? Saw you rolling in with the whole crew. Thick thighs, everybody want a piece of you. Not gonna lie, I'm not used to go winning. Surely like to bang with the top down cruise. Goddamn girl, we can make a move. Should get another drink. Swim deep. Don't swim too deep. You might sink. Gotta get away from everything. But why is it so hard to find some good loving? I want you to know I want you, and I want to. We can bounce on the bounce, I know that I want you. If you want to, we can bounce. Baby, we can do this all night. I don't wanna have to get back in line. Just say that you're satisfied. Maybe take another hit and spend some time with me. Babe, we can do this all night. I don't wanna have to get back in line. So maybe take another hit and spend some
What's it riding fixies? What did I just ride?
Is this some alien machine or something?
Mad, right?
Mad, right?
Mad,
Really?
right?
You know, when you just stop and you are like, it starts going back and I'm like,
You can
what
cycle
is
backwards in
happening?
this. You
Yeah?
can cycle backwards in this.
Yeah, I just realized that. And it's freaking
gotta
awesome.
tell me if he gonna come through kinda soon. Cause I got a few bottles, pop one, pop two. And damn, girl, that ass, couple times from the back. Baby, when you gonna come, I'ma make it last. Girl, we don't really need to